Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the X cross. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So before you start learning X cross, there are a few exercises that you might want to try. The first one is where you lay flat on the ground like this. Alright, from here you're gonna use your both legs up, push and bring your upper body up as well, okay? So I'm going to do from this side here, lay flat, push and up, alright? That's the basic for the X cross. Now if you already get comfortable with the first exercise, now we're going to go to the second exercise. Same thing, same pose, left foot on the ground. This time, instead of using both legs, now you want to use one leg. So I'm going to use my right leg, I'm going to bring my right leg up, do the same thing, push with your right leg to the front and bring your upper body up. Alright, so try these two exercises. If you already get comfortable, now you can go to the X cross tutorial. Alright, for X cross, now you're going to lay flat on the ground again, focus on my right leg, I'm going to bring my right leg up. Alright, so you're going to bring your right leg up, do a circle, not just up, but try to do a circle, alright? Circle and to the front. When you do it to the front, you're gonna push to the front and bring your upper body up like the exercise. Okay? So right leg circle, push up and bring your upper body up. We're almost done. So the next step, when you're already going up, what you want to do next is bend your left leg and grab your left foot with your right hand. Alright? So create some pose or some pattern here to make the move looks more interesting. Right hand, grab your left leg. Alright? Now after doing that, make sure your body is gonna tilt to the left side so that the move looks much bigger and much advanced. Okay? So now we're gonna compile all of that together and let's see the final outcome. The benefit of using X cross is that you can create a lot of pattern from power move like backspin to X cross, and also not only that, you can also use X cross as a transition to other move. For example, you can do this to footwork. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the example from X cross to footwork. Another transition that you can do with X cross is from standing up to L4. If you ever learn L4, just click the link. I'm gonna put the link. There's a tutorial on it. Already did it. Make sure you learn it so that you can combine your L4 drop with the X cross and it create a lot more pattern on your move. There's still a lot of things that you can do with X cross. Just go ahead and try it out. Be creative with it. And if you need any help or anything that you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section below. That's about it. Subscribe, and this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.